Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this delicious sweet and sour chicken. I have my chicken here that's already prepped. I've already washed it and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Personally, I prefer dark meat, but there's just something about chicken breast that works well in this recipe, in my opinion. So I'm using chicken breast today. I have my seasoning blend here, and I just put everything in one container to make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna season with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of regular paprika to give it that nice red color. I'm also going to add 1 egg beaten, some cornstarch for crispiness, all-purpose flour, and a little bit of water. So we're basically seasoning our chicken and making the batter at the same time, as opposed to doing both separately. I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm going to cover and allow this to marinate for at least half an hour, and while I work on the rest of my ingredients. The next thing I'm going to work on is the sauce. So I have a pineapple here, a pretty large pineapple, and I'm going to be using it for two things. One, I'm going to be using the juice as the base for our sweet and sour sauce, and I'm going to be adding in some chunks. I'm not going to be using all of it though, because as I said before, this is a pretty large pineapple, so we don't really need all of this for this recipe. Now, using fresh pineapple makes a huge difference. I know not everyone has the convenience or wants to go through the process of peeling a whole pineapple, but remember, you can get it where all of this is done for you, or you can just use canned or frozen if you prefer that. So we're going to get to peeling. Alright guys, so I'm done cutting up my pineapple. This half I'm gonna store in my fridge for snacking, and for the other half I'm gonna use it for my chunks as well as my juice. Fresh pineapple juice is so much better. I know it's not convenient for everyone, but you can make extra by doubling the recipe for the sauce. Store it in your fridge or freezer so it's convenient and ready to be used. Also, if you're using store-bought, I suggest trying your best to find one that's of the highest quality. Whether you're purchasing it from your grocery store, or you could try and purchase one from a juice bar that does cold pressed juices. So for sweet and sour sauce, we're going to start with our pineapple juice, tomato ketchup, brown sugar, white vinegar, some soy sauce. I'm using extra dark. Currently this is the only one I have. Some cornstarch, and some freshly grated ginger and garlic. I'm gonna mix this well and then set it aside until I'm ready to use it. For vegetables, I'm gonna be adding some sweet peppers. I'm using red and green as well as onion. Alright, so now that everything has been prepped and ready to go, we can start frying up our chicken. My vegetable oil is now hot, so I'm gonna drop my chicken pieces in and I will be frying them in batches. Remember, this is chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, so they take no longer than about 10 minutes to fry up. My chicken is done frying and I've removed the excess oil, and I'm gonna saute my veggies for a couple of seconds. So I've removed my vegetables and I'm gonna add them back when we're almost done cooking our chicken, because I like when my vegetables have a nice crunch to them. And now I'm gonna add in my sauce that we made earlier. And I'm gonna bring this to a boil and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. And this sauce smells so good, guys. I'm gonna add my pineapples in. Let that go for a few seconds. And then my chicken. Followed immediately by my vegetables. Then I'm gonna toss this in. Let that come together for about a minute. And then finally sprinkling a bit of sesame seeds for garnish. This sweet and sour chicken had the perfect balance of sweet and savory. So tasty. Hope you get a chance to try it and enjoy it as much as I did. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's stay connected on all my other socials. Links are in the description as well as the recipe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.